హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ యానిమల్స్ అండ్ దేర్ ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్. First one is cock. Cock favorite food is grains, ధాన్యాలు. Rat. Rat favorite food is also grains. Rabbit. Rabbit favorite food is carrot. Monkey. Monkey's favorite food bananas. Lion, meat. Horse, hay, gaddi. Dog, bones. Dog favorite food is bones. Cow eats grass, పచ్చిగడ్డి or hay, ఎండుగడ్డి. Tiger. Tiger favorite food is meat. Parrot. Parrot's favorite food is guavas. Cat favorite food is milk. Pigeon are all birds, eats grain only. Grains, ధాన్యాలు. Squirrel, ఉడత. Squirrel's favorite food is nuts. Bear favorite food is beehive, తేనె పట్టు. Once again I repeat, cock, grains. Also pigeon and birds favorite food also grains. Rat, grains. Rabbit, carrot. Monkey's favorite food bananas. Lion and tiger favorite food is meat. Horse, hay. Cow also hay. Dog favorite food is bones. Cow grass or hay. Tiger meat. Parrot guavas. Cat favorite food is milk. Pigeon or birds favorite food is grains. Squirrel nuts. Bear beehive. These are the favorite food of their animals and their favorite food. Thank you friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.